Hi there, this is a 1-year review of the FOTILE Pixie Air 3002 Rangehood. So I've been using this one for more than 1 year and me and my family like it. Why? Because it really works. In mainly Chinese dishes, we're doing stir fries, deep fries a lot, so we require a very strong suction from the Rangehood. So if we don't do that, we're open concept kitchen, so the bad smell will go all over the houses. So if you suffer from such problems, so you're gonna upgrade to the FOTILE Rangehood. So let me show you the basic function, and then I'm gonna show you the real test, how it looks when the smoke coming out from the wok. Let's get started. So this is the 3002 and you got 3001. The main difference is that the panel, this is a glass panel and with the motion on and off. So now it's on. So when you're done, it's off. It's really convenient because when you do your cooking, you don't know what's on your hand. You don't want to wash your hand and touch it, or it's gonna be messy on here. So you can also manual to open it, to turn it on. You got light. The light is pretty good, and you can even have another setting to illuminate the area where you're cooking. And this is a kind of timer, and the fan will keep working until the time is done. Now on here, maybe you cannot see, they got 3 steps of the level of the suction, and this is the minimum. So for the minimum, I think this is okay. For if you do regular cooking, I think it's fine. So let's do a test to see how it can suck the smoke out. You see there's no leaks, and also put it outside. So for inside, there should be no problem, but sometimes if your smoke coming from the outside, it probably got problem. You see now 100% goes in. This is the minimum. And let's move it to the medium. Now stronger, you see it moves really fast. And third is strong. It says strong, is super strong. You can see the speed that smooths air. So this is strong, but if you hold it, you got super strong. This is a super strong, like this. And if it's cooking like this, you wanna just go to eating and still want to move the air out, you can press the setting timer. It just keep working until the 5 minutes is done. And another important factor is the cleaning. It's super easy. I made another video about how to do the regular maintenance. Actually, it's very simple. You see these 2 oil pans, you can put them into the dishwasher, or you just use the regular dish soap to clean it. And just use water to rinse it and put it back on. This is my 1-year review. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.